Hi, this is Eric and I want to show you how to fix the fuse for your pedestrian warning system in the 2024 Blazer EV. So the first step is to open the hood by pulling the lever twice. The first time releases the hood, the second time releases the safety for the hood. That means you don't have to fish under here for the safety with your fingers like you do in a lot of cars. So once you have the hood open, you come over to the front of the car and you can pry up on this or give it a quick pull up here. You'll notice there's 4 plastic snaps holding it in place. These are replaceable snaps. Sometimes they break when they come out, so it's a good idea to have more of those on hand. I'll show you I broke them on this side. Same here, this snaps up. It would if I didn't break the 2 snaps on the front, and I already unsnapped that one. And then you can see that this will lift off, and then you can pull that free like that. You got to kind of work it around the hood strut. And I will show you where the plastic snaps are in here. There's 1, 2 on the front. Like I said, I broke that one. And then there's 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. And since I broke the 2 on the front, I might swap the position of one of these, but I can do that later. The next thing you'll need to find is the fuse box, which is right there. You don't have to take this center one off. So you just squeeze the 2 levers there and lift up. And once you lift up, you can kind of work it out like this. Here, you'll find the fuse attachment stuck down here. It's very difficult to get off, so I have it off for the video. But if you look, there's a little release there that you need to pull back, and then this will pop off. It's kind of funny that the tool to get the fuses out easier is really difficult to get off. Okay, with the cover off, we're looking for fuse F46. So they're not labeled there. They're actually labeled on the inside of the cover. And F46, you will see, is the second fuse up from the middle row on the bottom left. And if we look over here, it says not used and PFA. I think PFA is the pedestrian warning. So if you want to replace that fuse, you would find the second fuse up in the middle row and snap this fuse puller on it and wiggle it out. And just to show you what happens if that fuse is not in the system, let me show you. So back in the car, it shows me system pedestrian alert system. So if I hit the OK button on the steering wheel, the check mark, that went away. So, and now let's just experiment. And I now have silence when I back up, and silence when I pull forward. So you'll want to reinstall that fuse to restore your pedestrian warning system function. But should you want to fix that fuse, then you know where to find it.